Meaning of gunsmith.
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 Gunsmith. A gunsmith is a person who designs, builds, repairs, modifies, or otherwise works with firearms. This can involve crafting parts from raw materials, fitting and adjusting components, diagnosing and fixing malfunctions, and even customizing guns to meet the specific needs of individual customers. Gunsmiths may specialize in particular types of firearms, such as rifles or handguns, or focus on specific tasks, such as engraving or stock carving. Their work requires a strong understanding of firearm design and operation, as well as attention to detail and precision craftsmanship.